Welcome to today's training. I'll be showing you guys how to create a logo. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to change this background to plain white. So we are in this first side here, and we'll be going to the end to click on this white. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in a shape. So for us to bring in a shape, we have to click this center button. So once you click on the center button, you press your shape, you click here, and you get your circle. So we have a circle here, but it's not visible, so we have to give the circle a color, which is going to be this red. So you can pick any color of your choice, but I'll be using red. So let's increase the circle to this size and press our OK. Now, still on this center, we are going to scroll to relative position, click on this and make sure it's at the center. So this up and this down is to make sure it's at the center. So you press your OK. Now you click on this space, which is this white background. Then we want to bring in our text. This is the A bar. If you click on it, click on text, then we already have a text here, so we have to edit this, delete this new text that is here, and click your capital letter rising capital letter R. Then click on OK. So we have this R. So let me take this back. I want to enlarge the R. So this is the R we are having. So you are going to scroll to your end and go to font. So we want to pick our font. So the font we are going to be using is called Alora Regular. So you're going to click on this and press your OK. Now if you notice, this R has been sliced into half, so we are going to look for padding. Here it's padding. Click on it. Now the left hand side to 20, or let's say 10, then the right should be, yes, let's say 35, because we want the complete shape to be showing. Then you press your OK. Now we want to give it a color. Now we're going to be using a white color. Let's see, yeah, we're going to be using a white color for this. So you press your OK. Now you're still going to scroll to the end and take your style, make it bold. So we have something like this. So when we have something like this, you're going to increase this. Now once you have increased it, you want to make sure it's at the middle. So click your relative position, middle, and make sure it's at the right place. So I'm still going to enlarge this and still place it in the middle again. So we'll still be making corrections later on. For now, let us go to our padding and increase it again, because as we enlarge it, it's shaped. So we are going to be having something like this. So me, I want to have this cut here and like this. So this is going to be our logo. So I'm going to be reducing this a little. Then this our shape also, I want to reduce it, it's too big for me. So let me go to my center, like relative position, then our text to relative position. So we have something like this. So I want to move this. Let me see. Yeah, we have something like this. So let me see if I can enlarge this again. Yeah, this is what we have. So I'm going to be clicking on text again, edit this, then the how is going to be representing Rayos. Let me see, Rayos something. Let me use garments. Rayo garments. So we're going to be putting it here. Then we're going to be changing the color to the color of the circle. Then we are going to be picking a font, still under our capital letter A. So I'm be using this ABC font, or let me use this ABC font. So increase this, not too big. So our relative positioning is at the center. So the reason why I'm not pressing this is because it will go to the center of the circle, but this one is just to centralize it at the angle you are keeping it. So let me bring this down and place it at the center. So it's already at the center. So we already have a logo for Rayo Garments. So all you need to do is to save your project as logo or anything you want to use. Then you write save as image. So we'll be using the high to save, and that is it. So thanks for watching.